Today I am sharing one of my favorite healthy dips, the bright green edamame hummus. It's creamy, protein rich, full of flavor, and lighter than traditional chickpea hummus. If you love Mediterranean flavors with a modern twist, this recipe is just perfect for you. Let's start with the most important step. Take 1½ cup of edamame, boil it with a pinch of sea salt for just 1 minute. You don't want to overcook it. This keeps the flavor fresh and slightly sweet. Immediately transfer the edamame into ice cold water. This stops the cooking process and locks in that vibrant green color. Now for the blending. In a blender, add edamame. Add 1 teaspoon of a garlic paste for depth, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder for warmth, 1 teaspoon of a za'atar spice for that herby Middle Eastern flavor. Next, add 1/2 lemon zest and a half lemon juice. This adds brightness and freshness. To make this hummus extra smooth and creamy, add 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of tahini paste. Season with sea salt as per taste. Then blend until the texture is completely smooth and so creamy. You can stop and scrape the sides if you needed. Once blended, the hummus should be silky, rich, and so vibrant in a green color. Transfer into the serving bowl. After your hummus process is done, prep your vegetables. You can take any vegetables, whatever you like. I am using carrots and celery stalks. Cut it into even sizes. Now it's time to serve your edamame hummus. Drizzle edamame hummus with some olive oil on top. Sprinkle za'atar spice and sumac seasoning for that herby flavor, and finish with a fresh cilantro on top and a half lemon slice. Serve it this edamame hummus with a hot warm pita bread, celery stalks, carrots, or any vegetables you love. It's perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even a healthy spread after workout meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe. Follow Soulful Kitchen for more recipes like this. I will see you in my next recipe video. Let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe. Thank you. Bye.